Okay, so none of you guys asked for this video, but I'm gonna give it to you anyways. I'll have more videos out later. My game I just released, Weaponeer, and here's the analytics for the game. It did way better than I thought it would ever do. Like, I was shooting for maybe 100, 200 downloads the entire lifetime or something like that. I have gotten 400 downloads throughout the entire month. I find that crazy. Like, it spiked up so much, and of course it's gone down, but I mean, amazes me how much people are actually interested in playing this game. Also, Godot 3.2.2 came out today, and that will be in the description. I'm just kind of a link to the Godot engine where you can go download it. Okay, so let's get into it. I wanted for this game to iterate on mechanics and keep changing things up in the game, or else it gets boring. That's like why people love Super Mario so much, is because it iterates on its mechanics and keeps adding more and more diversity to the game while you play it, and you learn a lot more and more while you are playing, I guess. But you can see I add spikes, I add new enemy types, so that was fun as well. And these guys, another iteration, they just jump down, create spikes, you have to dodge them, and he creates them every time you hit him. You actually get these power-ups at the end of the game, like towards the end you get like the electric power-up and double jump. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to have these in the earlier levels. I thought I programmed that in. Maybe I've not, but as I went to level 49, you have like mechanics like this spider robot looking guy who shoots lasers. That was a lot of fun. You have the boost and the teleport mechanic, which is right here. And I accidentally made portal when I did this. Essentially with these portals, I just change the player's position. I don't re-instance a player because there's no need to. In that case, he keeps his velocity. So you see when I hit this booster, he actually goes flying upward. It did really good. I mean, for the analytics, like, it did way better than I thought it did, because I did terrible marketing. I basically just marketed on Twitter. So I made the mistake when I did the Google Play version, because I wanted to have the itch.io version and the Google Play version released at the same time. I forgot that there was a review process, and I did it like 2 days before I released the full game. The problem was, then a week later after the game released, then I got my Google Play release up. You could see that I have the Google Play version of the app. And this was like the base app, I would say. Like, this is what it was built for, is playing on Google Play and stuff. So I should have had that done before. I think this was actually really good of what I did right here. I was actually planning on this way before when I was anticipating the release of the game, where I said, I basically just let everyone know it's coming in 7 days. And then I did coming in 6 days. I had all the same stuff. I also linked my itch.io right here, which I didn't have the game out, so I was just like, I need to have a link somewhere that will bring them to the place where it will come out on. And so I just put my itch.io link, and I just kept going down the thread, and I kept commenting to myself, and you could see the engagement goes down, especially when you're doing this a lot, because they'd see the first post and be like, oh, I like that, and then they scroll through to all the other ones. And I kept doing this till it came out tomorrow. I had my old link in there, and then after it came out, I did a release tweet, and that got insanely well received. I used my old trailer. I was too lazy to make another one, so I just used that one. And that was basically my marketing. And there's a lot of things I could have done better with the marketing. Like, I should have done an email list, find a whole ton of people that may be interested in your game, like mobile game reviewers and all of those types of people that review, or maybe have reviewed a game like your game, or maybe they just enjoy playing games like your game. But just build up a email list, and then email them all about your game. And reviewer, I would say, just give them the video, give them everything they need. Like, especially for like articles and stuff, you could just write the entire article, send it to them, and then all they have to do is hit publish. And they like that because they don't have to do anything. All they have to do is copy and paste, publish, add all your links and stuff. That makes them money off the ads, and it also helps you. It just helps get your game more views and more people seeing it. That is a great thing to do as well. Again, I should have done these things when I released it. I kind of was on a rushed release, I would say, but it was a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll hopefully have some more out soon. I know I've been off and on YouTube. I need to get in the habit of doing YouTube like every week. I'll try to do that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Feel free to play my game, link in the description, and I'll see you guys later.